Welcome to Burnett Heads Caravan Park, or Lighthouse Caravan Tourist Park. We're at site 46, just near some of the cabins, camping area, and reception's just through there. But come have a look at the view. You got the Burnett River at our back door here. It is a good 10 to 15 minute drive just out of Bundaberg CBD, but pretty good spot, just a little bit out there. $47 for the night for 2 adults, 2 children, power and water. But another awesome river view and ocean view. Boat ramps just down the road there, and there's a beach 1 kilometre to the south, which we're going to go check out now. We've just come around the corner to Bagara. Just check it out. Barbecues, the ocean breeze, and a playground. Kids are going to have a bit of a play. Welcome to Kelly's Beach, just down from Nielsen Park and Bagara. Bagara. So this is where you can come have a swim. You got the surf life saving crew there, the flags. Obviously not much chance of a surf today with these beautiful conditions. And tide's going out. Noah's looking for live bait, although I don't have the cast net on me. So Kelly's Beach, come down here and have a swim. You can even swim down in that little inlet there where the causeway is. It's all protected for the littlies, and even a good bit of sandboarding down the hills in there. That's Kelly's Beach. Evening from Burnett Heads. We've got the liveys off the boat ramp, or the jetty, just over there, and we also got a nice sized prawn, and the local that was there said they actually get bigger than that. I'll see if I can show him to you. He should be sitting up the top. That's a little herring. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find it, but we've got plenty of live bait. I don't think I'm going to be able to get that prawn.
He'll come to us.
Couple of mullet. So we're gonna do our live baiting trick. I think it's your best chance to get anything, especially at this time of night. I think the tide's coming back in now, so rising tide. I'm gonna just fish off this point here and enjoy this sunset, and hopefully a rod screams off and we can get a dewey or a jack or a barra. Anything's possible around here. And there's the exit entrance out to the sea there. And camp's pretty much right smack bang in line with the lighthouse in front of you. All right, let's get these rods in the water. Just use an 8-0 Gamakatsu hook, unweighted, flick it out and leave it there and see how we go. All right, I'm going to show you guys this prawn. No luck on the liveys. We've got no takers, but there's the prawn.
Come on, come on.
Oh,
where is it?
All right, yeah, I'll show you. Oh, he's trying to jump out. There he is. Oh, he's jumped out. There's the size of him. You can just see by your hand. Not a bad size at all. There he is. Oh,
oh my God.
Back in you go. Welcome to Bundaberg Barrel. So we're here doing their soft drink tour today. Adults $15 each, kids $5 each. Have a look at the bottle tops on these, on the plants. Look cool. Have a drink. Right, we're gonna head in. That does include some taste testers, and I think the adults also includes a 6-pack of the soft drink. My favourite being coconut. Yum. Just keep in mind, this is a separate facility to their other premise, which is the distillery, which is I think another 5-10 minutes the opposite direction. So, all right, let's head in. Self-guided tour. Oh yeah.
Colours or flavours used. Just trying to champion the fruit as much as possible. Now, guavas originated from South America, but we actually get ours from Northern
Guava, after you had some the other day. Do you like it, Noah? Can you?
Yum.
But our longest is lemon lime and bitters, it's 7 days. So in comparison, a day really isn't that long. But it's enough to get the flavour.
Smells weird.
You get the flavour, but it's not too over the
peach.
top. It's a very subtle, gentle peach flavour.
You say that's for every single flavour.
What do you think, Noah? No, I don't like it. No? I like it.
How was that? Bundaberg barrel with the soft drinks. How'd you go? How are you guys going? You buzzing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm about to like fall to the ground.
I feel like I'm gonna explode like a bomb.
You're gonna explode. Now you can do something pretty funky, pretty cool. You can personalise your drinks. So we got a little gift for Joey boy, the old man. Happy 70th, coming your way. So you can personalise them.
You can put
Awesome idea. Only $17 for a 6-pack.
Or you can get the stickers for $7.
Or just buy the stickers and put them on any bottle you want, or do whatever you want with them for $7. So pretty good. We're going to go check out the actual distillery now, and we don't probably need any more sugar or anything else, but we're going there. Let's go. 5 minutes down the road, you come to the Rum Distillery, Bundaberg Rum. We didn't book a tour with this one. I think it was about $16-20 a head. The kids obviously aren't going to last, nor can they do any taste tests. Just had the sugarcane train come through. Now I don't believe they serve any food here, but I think they should get onto that. Make it like a good old winery. And I'm quite famished, and I would have got a nice winery pizza, like good old Margaret River. I'll put it up in the corner for you guys. Check out Margaret River video. But that's it, Bundaberg Rum Distillery. We'll go in, have a quick look. Oh, they do have a food menu. Doesn't appear to be open. okay, I was right the first time. No food by the look of it. All the Bundy you desire. Alright, that's it for the Bundy Rum Distillery. As I mentioned before, it's just probably not worth it with the kids, so if you can drop them off, do the tour. Otherwise you can just get your rum at your local liquor store. To be honest, doesn't look like they do any food anymore, or maybe we're gonna do it, I'm not sure. So we're gonna move on and go visit Cha Cha Chocolate, is it? Mm-hmm. Cha Cha Chocolate Factory.
It's just a chocolate shop.
Just a chocolate shop. And then we'll look at getting some lunch somewhere. There's the sugar mill. Alright, I've come down to Elliott Head. And you got the caravan park.
In 50 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Caravan park just to your left. Surf Life Saving Club, it is a patrolled beach. And you got a little playground there as well. I think we're going to turn around here. There's the caravan park. And they've got a cafe up on the hill there, which we might just go back and have a look at. Let's go check out the cafe. Okay, there's the cafe, just sitting on the hill. And have a look at this view. We'll get down there a bit closer. But this is Elliott Head. Pretty quiet for a Monday. Just how you want it. Couple of kite surfers. We'll get down and have a look at this amazing water. Bit of info around. Well, we're on the beach at Elliott Heads. Got the surf on one side and an awesome area for the kids to play in on the south side. As you can tell, it's a very windy day. Sand's soft and silky smooth. Morning from Burnett Heads, Bundaberg. She's a wet and wild one today. We've just packed up the van. And we're gonna go check out Tin Can Bay. It's about 2.5 hours south of Bundy. So it'll take a little while to get there, especially in this weather, but just take it easy. Get there when we get there, and this will hopefully pass by the afternoon and we'll be fishing and swimming later on. Alright, let's hit the road. We'll see you at Tin Can Bay.